What's up, heroes? It's me in an area, and today we're going to be training. So I hope we can see our Lumens evolve today because I want to see our Lumens evolve. So I'm gonna be training this guy. Let's do this. On battle time, single, super effective, destroy. Alright, let's do this. I hope this evolves because I've been training for a while here and I really want to see evolve. I know they evolve at level 34, but yeah, I want to see when it will evolve. Switch. Whisper. Startle. I've been learning new moves for these guys. You guys are probably wondering why I don't have my webcam. Because someone's in the background. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Earn a what? A 30,000 experience with a what? That no, that's crazy. That's just crazy. I want to see here. Did it level up? I don't know if it leveled up, but I'll just run, do my thing. Bigger here. Bigger. Just destroy. Burn, y'all. Alright, let's battle. Alright. That sounds so weird. I was like, alright. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so let's do this. Get experience from this revenant. Get some experience. Get some more experience. You're supposed to be dead. You're dead, yo. You're supposed to be dead. There you go. Yes, level up. Revenant is level up. Just level up. Won't she just level up? Revenant just level up. Revenant just. Oh, yeah. You see that? Revenant leveled up. And for another awesome battle. Yes. Ow. I just touched something. Ow. Okay, anyways, this is single. Single. Singe this. Why did he dodge it? Okay, singe this guy. Singe this guy. You go. Puff. Puff. Okay, nope. Startle in is here. Yeah. Experience mod. Try. Okay, since three three of my Loomians are like full leveled, which means legacy. There you go, buddy. Okay, it's your turn to shine, legacy. Alright, so as it does get. Okay. Here. Alright, there's a person here. Alright, I'm done battle you, yo. Going to level this guy up. I like to switch some Lumens to get more XP on. So it's like if they have full XP, they won't level up, so I get a new Lumen to do the job and battle. And the other and the like the ones that are benched will get some XP. I mean, like, that's how it goes. And so on and on and on. I'm gonna get it on. I'm gonna pre-roll. Doing it today. Hello, baby. Okay, that's it. I don't know what I was saying. That's awkward. Okay, that's awkward. I admit that was awkward. But enter our giveaway right now. Subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what's your username in Roblox, and you'll get a free Lumen today. Or if you play Adopt Me, you get a free animal today. Oh yeah. Okay, so okay, let's do this legacy. Alright, battle time. Alright, hey heroes, let's do this. Alright, so yeah. If you ever wanna meet me in Roblox, follow me and you'll probably see me in my favorites, because I usually play games in my favorites / Lumen Legacy. Best game in the universe. Anyways, yeah, so I'm done to pretty much replace Pokemon Brick Bonds with this. The awesomeness. This greatest. Oh yeah. Destroy your Monday. Okay, let's see if they level it up. I really want this one to evolve because it's so close to evolving. Okay, Spadola. Okay, let's just do this. Light. Alright. Battle of the Ages. There's this person I was battling in the Battle Coliseum, and I legit won them easily. And one of them forfeited, so I don't know. Oh, they're leveling up so quickly. So evolve already. Okay, evolve. Dreampire. Ow. My neck cracked. Ow. neck. Yesterday, I went to the dentist. And my neck hurts. Wait, real quick. I'm going to try to level my movements up by doing this. How would they level up like this? This may be a great idea or a totally bad idea. Alright, so calf note. Fairy type. Fairy type. I'm trying to fight a fairy type. Elemental burst. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this, yo. So level up. Just quickly, why you ain't leveling up? Okay, so when my lumens are close to evolving, I'm going to be making a video about it. Make it evolve. Now. Oh my gosh, these are so effective against him. But Blaze Chop! Blaze! Oh, no. No! Okay, I won't use Blaze. I won't use Blaze Chop, okay? Kabuka. I'm gonna use Chili Chop. He's not satisfied. Yeah, destroy Mondo! Alright, Hidden Heroes. Bye.